Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon. Choose settings. Then you need to scroll down in order to find the system option right here. Choose backup. And let's enable backup to Google Drive by using this switcher. Then you need to set the backup account. So let's choose an account. The phone is checking info, it's important to have the internet access, and now you need to sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that link, or you may use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email, tap next. Sorry, let me do it correctly. Alright, tap next. Now let's enter the password. Alright, so now you need to choose next. Let's tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Choose more and agree to the backup to Google Drive, and that's it. You just enable backup option and add necessary backup account, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.